Welcome to the CoreAchieve Learning Management System How-To series. Generative AI, building courses. The CoreAchieve platform allows you to create an online course within minutes using top language models. Create a course using the standard process and start to create the course structure as usual. Then create a module with a section inside of it. In the Simple Editor, you'll see a new icon labeled ChatGPT under the Add Content tab. Once clicked, a pop-up will appear prompting a type of material and a topic. You can generate an article, quote, paragraph, or question. For this demonstration, we'll generate an introduction paragraph and an article about personal protective equipment, PPE, and why it's important. Click Start after choosing a type of material and topic. You'll need to wait a few seconds to let the AI pull together information and construct the content. Be sure to review the information. Let's generate an article about PPE. Select Article under Type of Material and enter our topic. Once the article is done, you can generate a question about it using the previous process. Generated questions will use the same formatting as the question tool. Don't forget to save. The AI assistant can create slide decks. In a slide deck section, click the New Generate with AI button. A new window will open, prompting you to choose a topic and the number of slides that you want. Now the AI will create the given number of slides and place them automatically into a slide deck. Review the content and rearrange the slides to your vision. Be sure to save. Any place that has the Simple Editor will feature the option for AI content, and the Welcome page is no different. Navigate to the Welcome page tab at the top of the course window. Click the same ChatGPT button as before and fill in the text box to generate text. Of course, any generated content on sections, slides, or welcome pages can always be edited or formatted to achieve your goals. With this powerful tool, we now have a PPE course within 4 minutes.